Yes, this is Black Uhuru, aka Gang. You have some little cocaine cowboy, so who you? Well, I'm the Black Buck.
The sun is hot, what a scorching day. Babylon a lick shot night and day. No water in the pipe, the youth them out of school. Every type of people just a turn jug mule. Countless promises and more wet dream. In every ear a hungry youth a scream. Roadblock and Babylon siren tight. No justice for human right. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a flip down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Babylon run the place like a cowboy town. Cause of an unrival get gunned down. Got to find a little place to hide and chill. Inna the mountain of Mandeville. Sweat a run and them panic inside. Lifeless body of those who put up a fight. They can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, they can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Remember the days of just scorching sun. I know the heat blaze from them flaming gun. Piercing them skin like so much run down. Babylon have the place like a big showdown. Battled by Olympic pen on the farm. Though they know ghetto youth now inform. Cause after a storm there must be a calm. And everybody read some psalm. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Unknown assailants stay in the place. Nobody can get you out of the race. We have to take a step par pace by pace. This a general them can't erase. Them a little youth a half killing appetite. If them wrong or if them right, them a youth still a try to use might. No justice for human right. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Babylon run the place like a cowboy town. Cause of an unrival get gunned down. Got to find a little place to hide and chill. Inna the mountain of Mandeville. Sweat a run and them panic inside. Lifeless body of those who put up a fight. They can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Oh what a scorching day.
AK the gang, you know what I mean? The sun is so
what
hot.
a scorching day.
It is so hot. Big up.
Oh, oh, oh. Don't show how you did. Plastic smile can't work. Don't show how you did. Plastic smile can't work. Take your face from the ground, girl, stop wearing frown.
little innocent blood straight down here. For you think a little innocent blood straight down here. Not by my hand, but 1 year after slave, the people were all suffering down here. And the main disease that they were all suffering from was properly known as smallpox. One man called George William Gordon was justice of the peace at Moral Bay at the time. So he sent abroad for a few of his doctor friends to come and administer unto them. Man, all because of the good that George William Gordon did, they catch him and hang him with his eyeglass hand. Where? They hang him and camp in the cotton tree. And if you think I lie, just look up on the $10 bill. Yeah! Boy! Ja. Why you think a little innocent blood straight down here? Do thou mercy and joy the power? Why you think a little Do you think separation not tell you about you no Rasta? I don't know but dark stuff, deep stuff, rough eye. Naughty never get BBH man. We naughty never get we never get we naughty never get we. Although the battle seems so hot in Babylon, the conflict gets so wrong, things get really harder. Of bad penalization. I was standing on a corner reasoning with two daughters, reasoning after equal rights and justice, teaching them of the way they are to live. Here comes a Babylon to ride upon a race high. Chant it out loud, let them hear it. Babylon jump out of the deep and say, why? Give me a sentence at the back when I man throw the back forward chain, you know? And you want to see just go down in the NBA screen going fast and stick I up. And just say, go in at the war right now, Jake, and I like one, make I just bust you up. And then him take her to Stone Hill jail and everything him sight tied with him just take it to an ask guy where I get it like I a party and I know what. But I want to ask you something all over the international globe, but I want you to answer this question. Is that a right way for a human as a policeman to react to a citizen as a peaceful one? Not doing any wrong, but still for all. Because I'm 21,000 miles away from home. Bad penalization. Never get one who arrests I say. Okana was the one my schoolmate to plead mercy. He say, man, what are you doing here? For a peaceful, innocent living man as the brother, Nothing never get evil. Loud, let them hear it. Never get evil. Yeah. Right and left there I saw a criminal on my right and left hand too. They ask I lots of questions I know not about, and even say, sure, it's personal credential. I'm saying, Rasta, I don't want to hear nothing from you, so you can say that a brutality. Nothing never get evil. That the youth them a face. Nothing never get evil. Never get evil. Nothing never get evil. Loud, let them hear it. Big up our prisoners. Never get evil. They can prison your body but not your mind. Never get evil.
To talk about loving again. Ooh, to talk about loving again. I can see your love is bubbling over. It's so nice to see many youths and youths are united. I can feel your love is bubbling over. In one invitation, oh Jah, it's so exciting. Tribe of Israel, Mingy Bongo you know, we all have to sing the same song. Sister Benji, talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. I can see the days are getting shorter. It's time mankind know that Jah is the master. Israel, if you know the right and do the wrong, with a stick of lightning, Jah will burn you up with fire. Turn up, Pasha. I can see your love is bubbling over. It's nice to see many youths and youths are united. I can see the love is bubbling over. In one invitation, oh Jah, it's so exciting. Tribe of Israel, Bingy Bongo we all have to sing the same song. Talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. We talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. I can see your love is bubbling over. It's so nice to see many youths and youths are united. I can feel your love is bubbling over. In one invitation, oh Jah, it's so exciting. Tribe of Israel, Bingy Bongo Manuel we all have to sing the same song. Talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. Ooh, we talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. Ooh, we talk about loving again. Talk about loving again. Ooh, we got to love each other again. Talk about loving again. And Ras Daniel and I Bingy Kojo are coming over the hills. Same time like this, we must live as one. So the book of rule shall stand. Dreadlock, dreadlock, guess who's coming to dinner? Not the dreadlock. Guess who's coming to dinner? Not the dreadlock. So let's give thanks and praise, not the dreadlock. I appreciate the herb you brought for me, not the dreadlock. Now the things and time have changed. Suffering made me realize what it takes, and I have to be an anti-dreadlock. Guess who's coming to dinner? Not the dreadlock. I'm just coming in from the woods, not the dreadlock. So let's give thanks and praise, not the dreadlock. I appreciate the herb you brought for me, not the dreadlock. Now the things and time have changed. Suffering made me realize what it takes, and I have to be an anti-dreadlock. Oh yeah, guess who's coming to dinner? Not the dreadlock. Yeah. Guess who's coming to dinner? Not the dreadlock. Guess who's coming to dinner? Not the dreadlock. Sun is shining, the weather is sweet, yeah. Make you wanna move your dancing feet. Go to the rescue, rescue. Here I am, want you to know y'all. Here I stand, no, 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 no. When the morning
singing them songs of love. I miss it singing them songs of culture. I miss it singing them songs of love. I miss it for a word ever and a backward never. For a word ever and a backward never. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Songs for the people to unite, teaching them not to fight. Manners must turn to discipline. That's what true justice will celebrate. Sing them a song of culture. I miss it singing them songs of love. I miss it singing them a song of a culture. I miss it singing them a songs of love. I miss it for a word ever and a backward never. For a word ever and a backward never. A backward never. A backward never. Yeah. Singing them a song of a culture. I miss singing them a songs of love. Singing them a song of a culture. I miss singing them a songs of love. I miss it for a word ever and a backward never. For a word ever and a backward never. A backward never. A backward never, 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 never. Singing, diggy, 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 diggy. Singing them a song of a culture. I miss it singing them a songs of love. I miss it singing them songs of a culture. I miss it singing them a songs of love. I miss it for a word ever and a backward never. For a word ever and a backward never. Use up your wisdom, knowledge and understanding. Oh, please, Mr. Officer. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. All these years you overboard Royal under training. Now you got the outer road. Use up your discretion. I said, please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Officer, don't you shame off of me head. Time after time, citizens complaining over the radio about the citizens' brutality and only for ignorance. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Officer, don't you bother aim upon me head. Please, 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 Mr. Officer, Mr. Oh, Mr. Officer. Team color red, team color blue. Be careful what you do, cause the people love you, yeah. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Officer, don't you really hear my mommy, yeah. Use your discretion. Don't you look no reputations. The citizens complain over the radio about police brutality. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Officer, here to protect the people from trouble out the road. Now it turned around. You are beating up the citizens of Jamaica. Say, please, Mr. Officer, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Armand Barra, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Unspeed, cool down your temper. Please, Mr. Central, cool down your temper. Even up, Commissioner Office too. Cool down, come, up. Cool down, that's it. Please, Mr. Officer, cool down yourself.
They must be free, yeah, now, Lord. Photo stars, now, Lord. Photo stars in the middle of the sea. They are think it's for dreadlocks and me. Photo stars, now, Lord. Photo stars in the middle of the sea. They are think it's for you and for me. Down the Spanish town, I think I shoot you like a camera. Down the Spanish town, now Lord, they might shoot you like a camera. And that's the Wailing way, and that's the Wailing town. Down the Tamarind farm, if you should make an alarm, the bosses, Egypt is gone. Down at GP, those that jump the bed, and them not end up in a close comeback. Hey now, down at GP, those that jump the bed, and them might end up in a close comeback. And them might end up in a close comeback. Photo stars in the middle of the sea. They are saying it's Photo fireman, come and do your work. Come and do your work. The man who lives by the gun now ends up dying by the gun, Lord. The man who lives by the gun now ends up dying by the gun. Hey, hey, hear you calling now, Mr. Fireman, come and do your work. Lord have mercy, mercy, hey, yeah. Jackie, get up off the floor now. The youths are wailing in the streets now. Jackie, get up, yes, I'm begging you. Hey, hey, hear you calling now. Mr. Fire, come and do your work. Morning time, evening come, hey, 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 hear you calling. Hear the calling. Come on, come and do your work. Come and do your work. Hey, hey, hear you calling.
Say them out of sight. Oh yes, dog bite, tear out, bite out. Away the data, them love tear out. Bite out, dog bite. Oh yes, dog bite. Tear out, bite out. Away the data, them wear tear out. Bite out, dog bite. Oh yes. Here comes Sister Nova. Say she coming over, wearing her colors. She sweet like any flowers. Here comes Sister Charming, looking just the same. Going out the red town, she wearing her bite out too. Dog bite, tear out, bite out. Away the data, them love tear out, bite out, dog bite. Oh yes, dog bite, tear out, bite out. Away the data, them love tear out. Bite out, dog bite. Oh yes, say them out of sight. Say them high rate. Say them nice. You call them lovely. They say you see them leg, you see them leg, you see them leg. Don't laugh, high. Say you see them leg, you see them leg, you see them leg. Don't laugh, high. A dog bite, tear out. Bite out, away the data, them love tear out. Bite out, dog bite. Oh yes, dog bite. Tear out, bite out. Away the data, them love tear out. Bite out, dog bite. Ha. Fashion in a London, new fashion in a New York, down in Jamaica, the data them love it. For when I check a stocks and look on them frocks a dog bite, tear out, bite out. How the data them love tear out, bite out, dog bite. Them say the latest fashion dog bite. Tear out, bite out. Away the data, them love tear out, bite out, dog bite. Oh yes, you see them leg, you see them leg, you see them leg. Don't laugh, say you see them leg, you see them leg, you see them leg. Don't fly. A dog bite, tear out, bite out. You run gon' let your old friend say you find some new friends. Run gon' let your old friend say you find some new friends. Where you are go to when the money don't? Oh Lord, Lord. Where you are go home when your new friends gone? Where you are go to when the money don't? Oh Lord, Lord. Where you are go home when your new friends gone? New room only sweet clean. I say a whole bro. Oh, what a la la, what a la 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 la. The same stone that the builder refused always. Oh, what a la la, what a la 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 la. You run gon' let your old friend say you find some new friends. You run gon' let your old friend say you find some new friends. Never turn your back on the ghetto ones. Oh no, no. Never burn your bridges behind you, man. Shouldn't turn your back on the ghetto ones. Oh no, no. Never burn your bridges behind you, man. New room only sweet clean. I say a whole bro. Oh, what a la la, what a la 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 la. The same stone, the same stone, the same stone. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, what a la la, what a la 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 la. You run gon' let your old friends say you find some new friends. You run gon' let your old friends say you find some new friends. Where you are go do when the money don't? Oh Lord, Lord. Where you are go home when your new friends gone? Where you are go do when the money don't? Oh Lord, Lord. Where you are go home when your new friends gone?
High glass and high glass no fist bar. Got to be a shining star. High glass and high glass no fist bar. If one of them not good, other feel progressive, we help him through this war. High glass and high glass never reach far. Just like a dog without a bone, a king without a throne, that's what they may know. Hey, this whole wide world is like a jigsaw puzzle. As a gangster born, another drop out on the double. Who for live, and who for cripple. Enough man a fight to reach a next man pinnacle. High glass and high glass, no fist far. If one of them not good, other feel progressive, we help him through this war. High glass and high glass never reach far. Just like a dog without a bone, a king without a throne, so they may know. Hey, loafing on the street now go teach you nothing. After all, Italian go deal with something. Wondering when you gonna change and stop, gaze out your days. Why won't you just cool and abide by the rules? Idling is a dangerous tool, yeah. Idlers and idlers no fist bar. If one of them no good, other feel progressive, we help him through this war. Idlers and idlers never reach far. Just like a dog without a bone, a king without a throne, so them end up. Hey, ding 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 ding, I'm dangerous. Ding 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 ding, I'm dangerous. Hey, idlers and idlers no far. If one of them no good, other fi progressive, we help him through this war. Idlers and idlers never reach far. Just like a dog without a bone, a king without a throne, so them end up. Hey, ding 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 ding, I'm dangerous. Ding ding ding, I'm dangerous. Hey, this old wide world is like a jigsaw puzzle. As a gangster born, another drop out on the double. Who for live, and who for cripple. No man a fight for reach and next man pinnacle. Idlers and idlers, no fist parties. Take notice. Hi. Hey, Mr. Biggs, I'm talking to you. Ease up the pressure of the ghetto and the youths. As the ghetto you try to make it in life. Wanna give them a fight, go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Keep this world alive, yo, yeah. Go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Take a look in at the facts of life. Hi. Wanna teach us that black men descend from apes. I wanna know where all those races create. Babylon released the chains, brother man, but them still I use them brain. Go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Keep this world alive, yo, yeah. Go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Take a look in at the facts of life. Hi. As a great hero dead, our next one man, I just saw Bob Marley Gwan. The fighting for freedom is a must, a perfect example, Messiah Marcus, why? I believe in justice. First you say we used to live like some wild people. Hi. You use your wealth and your strength to promote evil. One thing make me feel so fine when I can sing what is on my mind. Black man should be freed from 13 long time. Hi, go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Keep this world alive, yo, yeah. Go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Take a look in at the facts of life. Hi. Hey, Mr. Biggs, I'm talking to you. Ease up the pressure of the ghetto and the youths. As the ghetto you try to make it in life. Wanna give them a fight, go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Keep this world alive, yo, yeah. Go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we let off. Take a look in at the facts of life. Hi, go and push me till we pop off. And if we pop off, dog I go back, don't make we.
What's the matter, people?
Solidarity
Solidarity. Oh, everybody wants the same thing, don't they? Everybody wants a happy end. They wanna see the game on Saturday. They wanna be somebody's friend. Everybody wanna work for a living. Everybody want their children warm. Everybody wants to be forgiven. They want a shelter from the storm. Look at me, I hate the enemy. We walk on common ground. We don't need to fight each other. What we need, solidarity. Oh, solidarity. Solidarity. Oh yeah, solidarity. Nobody likes to ask for money. Nobody likes to play the clown. Nobody likes to wait in a long line. Nobody likes being pushed around. Everybody wants a family protected. They want to express themselves. Everybody wants to live forever. Look at me, I ain't your enemy. Don't believe everything you hear. This is no time to fight each other. What we need. Solidarity. Solidarity. Oh, solidarity. Solidarity. Oh yeah. Solidarity. 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 Oh, solidarity. Solidarity. Hey people. Everybody wants the same thing, don't they? Everybody wants a happy end. They wanna see the game on Saturday. They wanna be somebody's friend. What we need, solidarity. Solidarity. Whoa, solidarity. Lord, solidarity. Oh yes, solidarity. Solidarity. Solidarity.
sing it, so I'm always sing it to them because you know I'm the poor man singer, I stand a poor man liar. Hear this. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Come along, come along, hey. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? So long I've been waiting for you, my God. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Come down, come around my corner. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Listen. I've searched every street and avenue and lane to find your address. And I'll never give up until my soul get some rest. Some people are too free. Some people have too much liberty. That's not the way it is to be. But equal rights and justice stand for all, and sweet fraternity. Poor me, poor my people, poor us. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Santa Claus come to town, he never come around my way. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Even the poor children in the ghetto need to see some too. Hey! Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Kenya ghetto want to see some freedom, Lord. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Why, you know, some people in some ghetto suffer some years. When you look at the dirty water just like run down the street, Rasta. And children with piercing dirty clothes keep playing in it. And what type of disease you have, you and I don't know. Love some. Some have too much, some ain't got nothing at all. And you see, there's enough to satisfy every man's need, but never to satisfy their greed. Oh my God, somebody talk with me. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Never enough for a greedy man, I say. Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Seize freedom, won't you come my way? Come along, hey! Seize freedom, reggae music for a reason. We sing it and play it under the season. I play reggae music in the middle of the street. Play reggae music because it's our beat. Play reggae music because it was ordered by the Messiah Marcus Garvey. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Why don't you trust me, trust me, trust me? You allow a politician to fool you again. Allow a lawyer to plead your case. You allow the doctor to poison you, and even the minister to indoctrinate you. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. You trust the teachers to teach your children. Trust the mechanic to build your car. Trust the carpenter to build your house. And yet you don't trust your brother at all. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. Why don't you trust me? Trust me. Trust
yourselves. Please be yourself. Use just the media to give you a news, and my simple words you do refuse. You don't just Rastafari. You won't even listen to I and I won't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. Why won't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. Please, I stand up for the right of every man. Just love me as long as I can. We can win the victory to fight out for humanity. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. 9 holes are in the human body, 7 of them are in your head. So why don't you clean up your life and try and live just like a Congo teacher? Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. One mother you've got, I must remind you.
Better know that.
And you must respect her on the highest level. I say, man, why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me, brother man. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust and trust yourself too. Why don't you trust me? Trust me, trust me.
oh. Hear them say, dreadlocks can't live in a tenement. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much too much watch you. Too much too much watch you. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much too much watch you. Too much too much watch you. Dreadlocks can't live in privacy. Anything him do, all nigga see. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much Dreadlocks can smoke him pipe in peace. Too much informers and too much bees. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much Dreadlocks can live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Skip, Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Too much too much watchy. Too much too much watchy. Dreadlocks can't penetrate the rain, man. All him a do is sell Jaja land. Too much watchy. Too much can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't lick him pipe in peace. Too much informers and too much BS. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much can't agitate in a tenement, yeah. Can't agitate in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can lick him pipe in peace. Too much Babylon and too much love. Too much a boogie to the bar.